Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So without any delay, let's get started and see what are the most important questions that you should ask in your hiring managers round. The very first question you should ask is about the overall gist or purpose of the position, the roles and responsibilities that you are going to play in a day-to-day work life, and if they are hiring for a particular project. Let's get into the second question. Then you can ask, you're looking for any other skills apart from the mandatory ones mentioned in the job description, or which may help in my daily work. So this question actually shows that you are interested to learn anything which actually helps in your day-to-day work, that you are really interested in this job and you want to be prepared for the work. So your hiring manager is actually think about your preparedness and your interest in the job. Let's see the third question. So third question is, what are the chances of communicating with clients, stakeholders and other teams? So by asking this question, you are making your manager to think that you are very good at communication. You are not going to hesitate if you have been assigned with some task where you have to communicate with other teams or communicate with the clients or stakeholders. That is a very positive one, and that of course shows that you are a team player. The next question you should ask is, are there training opportunities in the project if I want to learn new skills? Of course, in IT life or any other industry, updating the skills from day to day is very important to sustain or to do your work very efficiently. So by asking this particular question, you are making your manager to think that okay, he or she is ready to learn the new skills, and the resource is very adaptable, and we can make use of this resource for other projects or other needs also once this particular project is over, or once the work on the particular skills is over. Next important question you should ask is, I have done some research about the company, but I want to know, what do you enjoy the most or what do you feel proud about working here? So by asking this question, you are showing them that you have already done some research because you are interested to join this company. So you are a serious aspirant and you of course wants to make a learned decision. This shows that you are a reliable and you are a matured enough candidate to make some decision based on your learning on the company. Let's move to the next question. So next thing you can ask about your travel opportunities. If you are interested to travel, if the project is having opportunities of travel, and what are the next steps in the hiring process. This shows that okay, you are setting some expectation with your hiring manager that okay, this guy or this girl wants to travel if the opportunity is there, and of course you are going to get to know what are the next steps in the hiring process after this particular hiring managers round. And yeah, once the interview is over, once you are done with the questions that you are going to ask, don't forget to thank the hiring manager or the guy other side for the opportunity given to ask the questions and how nice time you have spent with them. This shows the gratitude and the etiquettes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.